Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have a quick video to show to you tonight. It's not this video here. This is Billy Meyer video footage. And the UFO I'm going to show you now looks something similar to that. So it's not that I don't believe Billy Meyer didn't see anything, and I don't 100% believe in all his videos, because some of them it's just a little bit suspect. But some of the photos I do. Some of the photos have been proven to be legit, but just some of his videos are a little bit suspect, and that's just my opinion. I know there's some believers and stuff on, but that's fine. So tonight's video, I'm going to take you guys over to Indonesia. There's someone said they was out walking and they saw this craft, and they were quick enough to take their phone out and shoot a quick video of this. So I'm going to show you the video clip. It's about 8-9 seconds, but there's no audio to it. So here's the video clip here. So you guys see that there, he's zooming in and out, which could make it a little bit more legit, but that's it. He zooms in and out. He doesn't show any footage of the craft taking off or anything. Now, when you look at this a little bit closer, you do get your typical saucer-shaped craft with it. And I do give it props on that. I mean, you guys can see that there. It does have the typical UFO or flying saucer shape. It doesn't have the flat bottom, which I'll show you an image to that as well. But if you guys look at some of the photos, like what Billy Meyer took, like this right here, it kind of looks bolted together like it's man-made, or aka alien reproduction vehicle. And you guys know that we did have those in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. So it could resemble that, and this could be that, or it could be several other things. I mean, looking at some other photos. Now, this photo here is a legit photo from the mid-50s of a UFO. So this craft does look similar to that. I know it's a little bit blurry, the original video, but it does resemble that in a lot of ways, the shape and stuff of it. Now, if you look at some of the other ones from the McMinnville incident and stuff, it doesn't look anything like that, because that one's kind of got a flat bottom and round top. So, but just comparing it to these, they all are kind of saucer shaped. But I wanted to show this to you guys and get your opinions on it. I'm kind of 50-50 on this, only because I don't have any audio, and then there's nothing of the craft flying away. I know if we saw this, we're going to sit there and record it, especially if we can get like this, until the craft flies away, and you're going to hear probably us screaming, and we're going to be acting like a whole bunch of school kids seeing this, like we finally caught one and we're seeing it. And we probably would have tried to flag it down, but that's just how I would have acted. But anyway, short video tonight. I wanted to show this to you guys and get your opinion on it. So put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching.